a few months ago, I tried to find a resource online to solve a beam deflection problem I was working on, and I couldn't find anything great. Some tools would solve for a reaction load on a statically determinate problem, but then they stuck all the other results behind a paywall. And they all kind of look like this. And to be honest, most engineering software looks like this. You'll even see this design language in recent software releases from major engineering firms. Kind of a very Windows 95 sort of vibe. I decided I could fill a gap by creating my own free beam solver. And over the last few months, I've been working on a tool that will solve beam problems and generate shear moment, slope, and deflection diagrams. And I actually started with the visual design. So I was first interested in engineering paper as a visual element, which should be familiar to engineers from all different disciplines. This was the starting point visually. In mechanical engineering, some of the coursework at the undergrad level hasn't really evolved a lot in the last 60 years. So some of the materials we used for demonstration were these really old film reels from the 50s. And I was really kind of inspired by that aesthetic. So I dug up some texts from that era and used those as a template for some of the tools elements. So kind of these fonts and even like the color and stuff, I tried to sort of match. So here's my actual first release of the product. You can access this at Machine Studio. It's machinestud.io. We'll go into the beam solver. You can see I tried to make it look like a problem on engineering paper. The functional elements have a monospaced font from old school computer monitors. And throughout the tool, there are these little help and explanatory guides, and those were designed to look like the old textbooks. In the results section, let me pull up a problem with results attached. As you move from the loading to the actual deflected shape of the beam, the graph colors get darker and darker. And they're darker shades, but of kind of the same color to illustrate the relationship between these different values. More abstract, invisible loading to the more and more visual and concrete slope and deflection. So that's kind of it for visual design. In the next video, I'll get more into the functionality and solver techniques behind the app. Thanks.